In the next several minutes, I will show you how to make a similar simulation with the coins. We see them filling the screen by falling, and then we see the impulse and they start going down. If you want, you can take my project settings, width, height, the number of frames, etc. For now, I put 100 frames for the whole length. Before creating the camera, I'll make an X-axis looking at the camera. When I'm creating a camera, I'm always applying a protection tag, so I won't be able to move it by an accident. Okay, basically it's very simple. I create an emitter and rotate it 90 degrees, so it will emit upwards. Yes, upwards, and later due to the gravity they should fall. I'm placing it higher, so we couldn't see it in our camera view. Also, I'm making it more narrow. After that, I need boundaries, the space which will restrict the coins to fall apart. I'm creating a high and narrow box. For now, I make it invisible transparent for us both in Viewport and render. From time to time, I will be turning it on in the Viewport to make some changes to the box, our boundaries. I am making the emitter wider, which will be more aligned with our boundaries, the outer box shape. I copied the model of the coin, I select it and then press Ctrl+C, and then I go back to our main projects, I press Ctrl+V to paste it, and I'm placing it into the cloner. Let's preview it. Now we see the coins going upward. I want them to emit for 22 frames straight and then fall. I adjust emission to stop on 22nd frame. Let's preview it. The next step will be adding gravity with the help of simulation tags. Now we see it works. Previously we have created the shape around the emitter. This will be the boundaries for the coins. To turn the boundaries on, I will apply the simulation tag. Overall, it works. I'm making the coins smaller. Better. Now we need a lot more of them. My viewport is not responding, so I am making a viewport render. What we see? The coins are emitted upwards for some time, and then due to the gravity they fall within the theta boundaries. So at this point of time I realized what I need to do to move it closer to the camera. Sorry guys, I'm creating a null and putting all the stuff there. And move it all together. I change the width of the emitter and the box around the emitter to be in a perfect range of the camera. All good. But I can notice some extra coins which are still flying into the camera. What can I do? I create a plane in front of the box. And I apply the same simulation tag to this plane as for the box. Now the plane should prevent the coins from flying into the camera. And of course, I'm making them invisible. This is it. Now we have the nice fill-in animation with the coins. You can play with these settings to get a bit different results or to fix them. The first part is over. Let's slightly organize it and rename it. Now let them fall. The first step is to turn off the dynamic body tag, which is on our boundaries, the box. I put an animated key on the 105th frame. Once the animation reaches the 105th frame, the body tag will be turned off and the coins will fall. But how to make it more interesting? Let's have some impulse from the bottom. I will duplicate the emitter we have, and I will position it lower, slightly lower the box. The emitting object will be the torus. I am applying it to the cloner. Now I am connecting the cloner to the emitter. I want to have an impulse on the 105th frame, the exact same frame at which our boundaries will be turned off, and it will last till the 130th frame. Okay, let's make the torus much smaller. We see that it works. We can see some shapes going upward from the bottom, but there is no dynamics, no reaction to it, no collision. Let's apply a simulation tag. Now we see, now it has some real collisions with the coins. I'll just make the shape smaller. I make them transparent for render. And now, if you want to fill in the screen with the coins with different materials, open the cloner and copy the coin shape. Apply different materials to each coin there. Also, you can place there into the cloner different shapes and 3D models. I hope you found this video useful for yourself. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for the future videos not to miss it.